Hello people, welcome to AJ Crafts Crafting with AJ. Today we will weave a cute basket using jute rope and a waste paper cup. This is very easy to make and a very beautiful decorative piece. In order to make this, cut the cup as I am cutting. Keep the base as it is and cut the cup along its length as I have done. You can mark the equidistant points at the top and bottom. They will help you as guide to cut in equal parts. Now is the time to start weaving the basket. Grab a jute rope, start from the center of the base and start coiling to cover it. Once it is completely covered, now you need to work on the side parts that you have cut from the paper cup. Just use them alternately to wind the rope around them, like I am doing. One by one in, one out. So as you can see, I am taking the one part outside the rope and one inside the rope. On winding, you will observe that it is turning into a form of bowl. The size of the bowl depends on the length of the rope you are taking. You can stop whenever you feel that you are done and the bowl is ready, the basket is ready. You can cut the ends of the parts, the strips you have prepared, and then you can just fold them inside the rope you have woven around this paper cup, like I am doing. Just hide all these paper coming out of the rope inside this basket you have woven, and then cover the part that is visible correctly with the help of glue gun as well as jute rope. Follow the simple process of basket weaving and you will enjoy it. It will turn out into a beautiful decorative piece. I will show you how I have used them to decorate it using small flowers, and it really looks beautiful. You have to be very careful while you are using hot glue gun to secure this. It may burn your fingers. As you can see, it has turned out into a beautiful, cute little basket which can be used to decorate little flowers, decorative flowers or original flowers as you may like, and keep them in a corner and it will definitely beautify the place. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please do not forget to like, share and comment to provide your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon for our latest videos update. Showering your love on us in the form of likes you provide to our video. Your one like is enough to provide your support to us. Thank you so much for watching and keep crafting with AJ.